Hope everyone is fine and doing great. And welcome to my channel of my experiences. In this video, I'm gonna share my experience of unboxing IKEA footstep. The product is called DAGOTTO, DAGOTTO, and it's very useful for resting your foot under the table when you work from home, or maybe if you would like to take this to your office. The price here in the UAE is 55 dirhams, and it's very good. It's adjustable. As per your height, as per your length, as per your foot style. So you can adjust this as per your requirements. So let's open this product, unbox this, and let's get started and show you how it works. So this is the manual. It's quite easy, very easy to assemble. So let me just plug them, and I'll show you how it works. Hello guys, so here we are with the final product. We have just assembled one, two, three, four pieces of pipes. Basically, three. So two, the main piece, the footrest, and two basically joints. So four pieces in fact. So four pieces we have just joined together with the tiny screws, which were already given by IKEA. These are also included in the package. It's quite simple. We just need to put this plastic support on top of it so that it's gonna rest there, and there is no hard and fast rocket science there. Once it is resting there, it's quite easy. You will put your foot here and you will just try to adjust as appropriate to your style of sitting. So it's quite I like this idea, and very simple design, price wise, storage wise, not a bulky thing. And once we go their website, what they have written there, let me read those specifications and details about this product. So basically what they say is that this foot rests helps you sit in a good working position at your desk and reduces strain on your legs, back and neck. Obviously, it's just a matter of office ergonomics, so it all relates together. And in second para, they are saying it's easy to tilt and adjust the platform to a comfortable angle just by applying pressure with your foot. Obviously, you will rest your foot here, so it's quite easy to adjust the angle. Your feet stay in place when the platform is tilted because it has a non-slip textured surface. Obviously, this is the material is quite fine, non-slippery, and also textured. So again, it's non-slippery surface they have got here. Rubber feet underneath keep the footrest firmly in place on the floor and protect sensitive surfaces. So they have also given down there here plastic supports just to avoid scratches on your flooring, on your tiles, also to provide a rigid support. When it comes to the size of this product, let me give you an idea. Don't worry, I'm going to also share the link also of this website on the description below, so don't forget to read that also. So the length of this product is 49 centimeter. This one 49 centimeter, width is 38 centi, whereas the height of this one is around 15 centi. So that's all for today, and I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Stay in touch with me. Please hit like, comment and subscribe to this video. See you next time. Bye bye.